We will see how to animate a group of photos. Here we have 18 photos. We drag them all onto the timeline. And in Trim Edit mode we change their duration to 375 frames, or 15 seconds. 15 seconds will be the duration of our animation. We make a compound clip or a render in place more efficient. Let's call it Clips. We get rid of it on this timeline. And we add a fusion composition of 375 frames. We drag in our clips. We will use a Replicate 3D which distributes the 3D objects of its green input on the vertices of the 3D object of its orange input. First, we connect our clips to an image plane 3D. Let's add the Replicate 3D. And the vertex generator, for example, an image plane 3D. In wireframe mode, you can clearly see the vertices. Here 121, or 11 times 11, the eternal problem of intervals and stakes, we reduce to 9, 3 times 3. Our clips are well rehearsed but too big. You can adjust the scale at the level of the Replicate 3D or the image plane 3D of the clips. Our photo wall is perfectly aligned. By setting the time offset to the duration of the composition, the miracle happens. We have different photos each time. If we increase the size, we recover more photos. Disadvantage of image plane 3D, in the case where the number of photos is not a square 4, 9, 16, 25, etc., we have holes. We will see how to create a rectangular matrix. To do this, let's use a ribbon 3D made up of n lines with m subdivisions. We will limit the number of lines to 6 and the subdivisions to 2 to obtain 6 times 3, or 18 vertices. And there you have it, our 18 photos are there. We are going to play on the geometry of the ribbon to distribute them. First in height. Then in width with start x and end x. With a simple expression, we ensure that everything remains centered. And the adjustment is made easy. Now the fun can begin. Let's play with the jitters first. Of course, everything can be animated with keyframes, anim curves, etc. The composition can also be modified by playing with the vertices. Ribbon rotation. And let's go crazy and add some 3D nodes. The Blender 3D is one of the richest. I'll give you some random demonstrations, but with a little application we can do magnificent things. The possibilities are endless and easily masterable. To go further, we can make independent groups of photos. Let's remove the Blender 3D. Let's reduce our matrix to 9 vertices. By adding a duplicate 3D, we obtain 2 independent groups. Let's create a spiral. We line up the 18 photos. We add a transform 3D. We apply a Z rotation. And applying Bender 3D creates the spiral. The possibilities are truly endless. Let's go further. We return to the initial geometry. Disaster, only one photo remains. And this is normal because the background is only defined on 375 frames. We don't hesitate, we put 100,000. Bingo! Everything came back. And there you have it. Look at the power of the method. Let's continue. We also increase the lifespan of the text. We adjust our position. You can individualize the title of each photo. The first photo is at the bottom left. And yes, we can move beyond the duration of the composition. By adding 375 each time, we can create all the titles, but it is tedious. Fortunately, there are more effective methods which we will see later. If we want to change the duration of the composition, you must first open in timeline of the compound clip, change the durations, and then change the duration of the composition. It's quite tedious. I will show you in another tutorial, barely more technical, how to do it more efficiently. We will finish by adding a frame. We create an instantiated copy of the rectangle. We de-instance the solid and border width. And we merge on our clips through a background. Background whose lifespan is extended. End of the first part. Have fun.